woodworking package, sold by itself, is valued at $197. Yet you're not just receiving the Ted's Woodworking package today. Just for watching this entire presentation, I'd like to give you, free of charge, these value-add bonuses to help you with your projects. First, you'll get the award-winning DWG and CAD Plan Viewer. With this, you don't have to pay for the high-priced CAD software. This will allow you to edit, modify, or even create your own plans. It's normally valued at $47. Yours free today. Second, you'll get full access to over 150 premium woodworking video lessons covering a wide selection of topics, all hosted by professional woodworkers. Get access to my extensive collection of detailed video tutorials and learn techniques and tips that the professionals use in their workshops. This will soon be sold separately with the price tag of $77, but today it's yours, absolutely free. Third, you're going to get a book entitled How to Start a Woodworking Business. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money selling your custom woodwork from home. With this guide, you'll learn how to start quickly and operate successfully. Learn how to turn your passion into profits. And finally, you're also getting a complete collection of online woodworking guides with over 200 pages of woodworking tips and tricks with detailed drawings, diagrams, and photos. Think of this as the foundation for your woodworking plans. There's no fluff here. It's 200 pages of solid, step-by-step and straightforward advice that sets you up for your projects. This is valued at $37. Yours free when you order today. Now you can see why the Ted's Woodworking package is valued at $197. Even without the bonuses, this is a steal. And if you bought the bonuses by themselves, your total investment today would be over $380. However, just for watching this presentation today, I have a much better deal coming your way. Just keep watching, as it won't last much longer. Of course, you could choose to just continue on the path you're on right now, and that isn't what I want for you. So let's make this a really easy decision. I know times are tough for a lot of good, hard-working people in our country right now, and the plans in this package can save folks a lot of money, which is why there's absolutely no way I could ask you to pay $197 for Ted's Woodworking, or even just $99, because my conscience simply won't allow it. So if you act right now, and only if this special website is still up that you are on, which may not be for long, you can get the full Ted's Woodworking package with over 16,000 plans for all types of projects, plus all the bonuses and everything else for just a small one-time investment of just $67. To get started, click the Add to Cart button you see below this presentation right now. This button will take you to a secure checkout page which looks like this. You can enter your basic information. Then on the next page, you'll gain instant access to everything inside Ted's Woodworking. Plus, to make this a no-brainer decision for you, I'm also going to come out of my own pocket and give you a full 60-day love it or shove it triple guarantee. Just try Ted's Woodworking for 60 days. If you can't find the plan you are looking for, if you don't complete your projects easier and faster than before, or even if you don't like the font I use in the plans, it doesn't matter. I'll gladly refund every penny. No questions asked, no hassles, and no hard feelings. But if you're ready to get started, you really do need to act quickly, because the one stipulation John made me agree to when we created this program was that we have to limit how many people we give it away to. After all, John makes his living using the plans we are giving you in the package, so he asked me to cap the total number of copies I give away to 20,000. And we've currently sold 19,631. And to be honest, it's still up for discussion, but I'll honor John's request if he insists on it. Which means if you come back to this website tomorrow or later this week and you find that this presentation has been taken down, I'm sorry to say there simply won't be anything I can do for you. But why would you wait or put this small investment off anyway? You have absolutely no risk at all. You have a full 60 days to try all the plans, and you can begin building any project you want within minutes from now. Not just that, if you act now before this presentation ends, I'll toss in this one-of-a-kind super bonus worth over $97. You will get 1 full year of personal email coaching from me. Yes, that's right. Think of it as a private coaching program with a master woodworker. You can contact me anytime. Ask me whatever you want, whenever you want, 24/7 for 1 full year. Listen, I'm here for you every single step of the way, so I'll be there for all of the help that you need in your project. In fact, this normally goes for $97, and I was going to sell this as a special add-on to anybody who bought my package. But as a thank you for watching this presentation, I'm giving it to you for free. And that brings your total value to over $400. Yet, today, if you act now, it's all yours for just one single payment of only $67. Click on the orange button that says Add to Cart to lock in your discounted price now.